beautiful day on Minnesota. Hiro is a Japanese engine. He likes to pull the express when Gordon's ill. One day, he met Donald in his siding. Then his driver came out. There's been a change. Donald has to pull the express. You will have to sit in the siding. Yes, sir. But Hiro was sad. You're such a stick in the mud, said Donald, and puffed away. He was cross. Hiro was very sad. Donald was enjoying himself. This is the life. Then he saw Peter Sam was sitting in his siding with some trucks. Oh no! And the harbor was crashed. And the roof crashed. Oh man! Then his driver arrived. Hiro, Donald crashed with the express. Are you sure you can help him? No, he called me a stick in the mud. No, but he crashed. Hiro soon changed his mind. But the passengers will be close too. Hiro soon changed his mind and shoved out the siding. And he found the breakdown train. That's it, the driver puffed away. Donald was stuck, miserable. Come on. Then the engines were on their way. Back home to the sheds. Back at the sheds, Donald went to go see Hiro. I'm sorry I call you a stick in the mud. That's okay, says Hiro. Can we be friends again? Sure, says Hiro. And they live happily ever after. The end. How much do I did?